Hello, fellow Canadians. My name is Dory O'Neill, and you're here because you're interested in earning money online. And I bet as a Canadian, you'd love to earn US dollars online. Am I right? Well, you're the only one that can answer that question. I've spent 35 years teaching and training people how to make money online. And the sad part for me is 99% of those people that I've taught and trained to make money online and help more than a dozen people become millionaires are and have been Americans. Now that I'm semi-retired, I'm dedicating myself to teaching and training Canadians on how to make money online. Recently, as you all know, there was a major political upheaval in the world, and that was the election of President Donald Trump to a second term in office. And I'm not here to get into politics. Some people think that's a wonderful thing. Others think it's a bad thing. But what I do know is for Canadians, his election creates uncertainty. The Canadian dollar has already been affected in a negative way. It looks like that it could have a possible potential to affect jobs in Canada. It has the potential to affect other elements of our Canadian way of living. And for those of you that embrace the concept of creating a secondary online income that pays you in US dollars, not only will it allow you to generate US dollars from a potential booming US economy, but it will also protect your family from unforeseen hardships due to the political uncertainty that we're facing. It will protect you by being able to earn US dollars, convert them into Canadian dollars, and pay off if you have debt faster and easier. And so I'm going to provide you with a ton of value-added services for absolutely no cost to you. I'm going to give you access to myself via live online webinars. I'm going to give you access to other mentors that have been involved with me for 35 years. And all of this is coming at no cost. So the first step that you need to take is to take action. You may be thinking, is this for me? Well, I'll answer that question for you. If you wake up in the morning wanting to have a better life, if you wake up in the morning wanting to have more abundance in your life, if you wake up in the morning wanting to have better things for your family and the people that you care about, then the answer is yes, this is for you. So step one is to simply go below this video and fill out the form on there. And it's absolutely free. And what you're going to go to is a 10-part YouTube viral funnel. That 10-part, 10-day YouTube viral funnel will explain everything that the platform that I'm representing will offer to you on a daily basis. You'll get that information and you'll be able to make an informed decision, and it costs you absolutely $0. Then you'll have the opportunity to enroll with the platform for absolutely $0. And when you do, you'll be part of my team. And as a member of my team, I'm going to give you an exact copy of that platform, that 10-part YouTube viral funnel, as a bonus when you become a paid member. And believe it or not, paid membership starts as low as $37. And as a paid member, you're going to get that 10-part YouTube viral funnel, all made to your specifications, all with your links in it. And then you're going to get access to the training that's found inside of that platform. But the big plus is you get all of the advanced training, all of the done for you email sequences, all of the things that will speed you to the pathway to earning money from me for free. So go ahead, fill out that form, reach out to me if you'd like. My contact details are on this webpage, and I will see you in the Canadian success circle of people that want to make money online. It's your choice, success or do nothing and remain in the same place you are right now. My name is Dory O'Neill, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.